Welcome. In front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to increase fan speed on this tablet or laptop. So the first way is to use DELL Power Management application. So open your web browser and look up the DELL Power Manager application. Open the first link. It's usually your local website. That's why I'm gonna translate it for you. Okay, and scroll all the way down and select download DELL Power Management. On this page, if this doesn't, if website doesn't detect your device automatically and you don't have this download file below, then you'll have to enter your DELL service tag or product model. If you don't know how to do this, we have videos on our channel on how to check it. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And once you're on this page, select download right here. Download the following file. Open it. Click yes, click install, and once you click install, the installation will be done automatically. I'm not gonna do this since I already have this installed on my laptop. So basically, once you install it, the application will run automatically. But in case you want to open it, you can search it up right here. It's Power Management Manager. Okay, open this application. Wait for it to start up. Okay, and once you are here, go to the thermal management tab. I'm not sure if I can zoom it in, but generally if you open this page, you will see that you have 4 thermal settings. In case you want to increase your fan speed, select ultra performance. This will increase the fan speed. If you select cool, it will be the processor including fan speed will be adjusted to help maintain a cooler system, and quiet will slow down the fan speed basically. So ultra performance is the fastest speed for your fan. The cool one is probably the second one, although I'm not sure. I feel like the cool is actually the fastest mode for your fans. So and the quiet one is basically decreasing the fan speed, but also it might cause your device to overheat sometime. And the optimized is basically the ultimate settings. Okay, so now if you don't want to install any software, you can do this with your device, but you'll have to have the keyboard attached. It doesn't have to be the original one, any goes if it works with your device. So what you have to do is turn the laptop off, shut it down, wait for it to turn off, and once it does, use the power button to turn it on. Then once you turn it on, immediately start pressing F2 button consistently. So turn it on and then F2 button. Okay. Once you see this menu right here, you can stop pressing F2 button. You'll be able to navigate here using your using your touchpad or mouse. I'm not sure if this, no, it doesn't support touchscreen. Okay, so go to the power options, then move this bar lower, even lower, and here you'll have the same settings for your device's fans, so you can choose between optimized, cool, quiet, and ultra performance modes, and this way you can increase and decrease your fan speed. And once you select the mode that suits you, you just have to press the F10 button. Oh, excuse me, you have to first select exit. No, just select exit and wait for your device to reboot. And that's basically it for this video, so thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.